In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google Drive storage plan. This is a quick and straightforward process which will break down into simple steps, ensuring that you can follow along easily. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this quickly by typing Google Drive into your browser search bar. Once you've done that, look for the link in the search results with the URL address drive, google.com/drive quota. Clicking on this will direct you to the specific page where you can manage your Google Drive's storage quota. Once on the page, you might be asked to log into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you enter the correct credentials linked to the Google Drive account whose storage plan you wish to cancel. Now, when you are logged in, you should see your initial or profile picture on the top right corner of the Google Drive interface. Next to it, you'll find the Google Apps icon, which resembles a small grid of dots. Click on this icon to reveal a list of Google's various services. From this list, you need to select Google One, which is the service that manages your storage plan across Google. After accessing Google One, you'll be greeted with your current storage usage and options. What you need to do now is locate and click on the Settings option. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the Google One interface. Once you're inside the settings, there should be an option that says Change Membership Plan. Click on it to proceed with modifying your current plan. You're almost there. You should now see an option labeled Cancel Membership. Once you click this option, Google will guide you through a few confirmation steps to ensure you're certain about this decision. Follow the on-screen prompts, providing any required confirmations to successfully cancel the plan. Once you've completed these steps, the next thing you'll notice is a confirmation email from Google. This email will let you know that your Google Drive storage plan subscription has been canceled. Make sure to check your email inbox for this notification, and perhaps even your spam folder, just to be sure you haven't missed anything. And that's it. You have now successfully canceled your Google Drive storage plan. This process should give you more control over your storage choices and help you manage your subscriptions more effectively. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to explore Google's help resources for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your Google Drive account.